Welcome back. Who would not like to enjoy an evening snack with tea or coffee? How about some healthy option to it? Let's see how I make healthy snack using makhana or foxnuts. Firstly, add around 3 cups of makhana in a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Now, bake it in preheated oven to 365 degree Fahrenheit for 12 minutes by checking it once after 6 minutes. It is perfectly roasted when it cracks when pressed. Now in a pan, add 2 tablespoons coconut oil, 3 roughly crushed garlic cloves and fry it till it gets slightly brown. Then add 1 dry red chilli, few curry leaves and saute it well. Now add a handful of peanuts and roast it well. To this, add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt as per taste and half teaspoon of pepper powder and reduce the flame. Now add roasted makhana and give it a good toss till it gets well coated. And that's it, healthy snack is ready in no time. Do try this healthy snack and leave a comment on how it turned out for you. For more such healthy recipes, do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notification on whenever I upload new videos. Thank you.